Hello, welcome back to Bell's Reading Corner, Reading F. Today we are going to talk about a story. The story is The Queen's New Cat. Once upon a time, a queen wanted a pet. Bring me the best cat in the land, she said. People brought her lots of cats. There were big cats and small cats. There were spotted cats and striped cats, but none of them was right. One day, a man came to see the queen. I am afraid fake, he said. This is the best cat in the land, but only wise people can see her. The queen did not see the cat, but she wanted to seem wise, so she lied. Your cat is the best. I must have it, she said. So she gave the man a big bag of gold. No one could see the queen's cat, but they wanted to seem wise, so they lied. Your cat is the best. One day, the queen decided to have a cat parade. She wanted to show off her new pet. People had big cats and small cats and spotted cats and striped cats. Your pets are nice, said the queen, but my cat is the best. People could not see the queen's cat, but they wanted to seem wise, so they lied. Your cat is the best. A boy saw the queen march by. The boy always told the truth. The queen has no cat, he shouted. The queen heard the boy. Oh my, he was right. She didn't have a cat. The queen stopped. You are a wise boy, she said. Thank you for being honest. Then the queen saw a hungry cat that had no home. She picked it up. Come with me, she said. You are the best cat in the land, she said. Then they both lived happily ever after. Okay, so this is the story for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.